This is an Eberhardt-Denver gear drive, model F11620093. Small in stature, but critical for delivering high torque and specialized industrial applications. As a high-ratio worm gear reducer, this unit is often obsolete, making the precision repair work we perform at specialty gear drives essential. We begin with a complete disassembly. We found that internal wear and old lubricant may have compromised the integrity of the crucial bronze worm wheel and the meshing surfaces. Our technicians clean and inspect every part, paying special attention to the housing alignment and bearing fits. For components that are impossible to source, we reverse engineer and custom manufacture the exact replacement worm gear. We then rebuild the unit with new, premium bearings and seals, meticulously setting the proper contact pattern to ensure silent, high-efficiency operation. The result is a fully restored legacy gear drive. It's backed by a 24-month warranty and delivered to you using our free freight and free quotes nationwide service. Call Specialty Gear Drives today. Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.